This is a 2011 Honda CR-V, and this is the blend door actuator, Denso part number replacement for the actuator that is over on the driver's side under there. There are other videos, many other videos that are helpful to tell you where this one is. Kind of like right next to the gas pedal, right over there. So the situation is this control appears to be stuck on cold, and so when you run, you're not able to run heat. You're not able to blend the heat and the cold here. So usually, according to online, this part number right here fixes the problem. However, and it comes like this. This part comes with the bracket and comes just like this. So this is the original part, and this is the part that I got. However, that didn't fix my problem. I've also seen videos where on the Camry, for instance, that you can hold down these two keys and it does a self-diagnostic. There's other videos on that if you have a Camry, that will fix that. But it's suspected that this unit right here might be failed, and this blend knob is not actually communicating to this part correctly. Therefore, we have a problem. Online, there's also some detailed information on this connector right here, which connects to it, a pinout, what power and control it has. So I'm going to go on eBay and order this part. So I'm going to go and take this off. There's another video online that showed me how to do it, but it was in another language. So I'm going to just kind of show you my experience as I do it. So I think what I'm going to need to do, though, is change this gear shift. So I'll show you the next step. What I'm going to do now is turn the key on here, and the key's on, and then I'm going to put my foot on the brake and then put this in gear this way to just stop the, to give me more room here. And just for the heck of it, I'm putting my foot on the emergency brake there. Well, I got this pry kit tool on AliExpress, and so I'm going to use one of these. I'm going to use this pry tool here. See if I can pull it out with, I got one hand here. And so I'm sticking it under this corner, and it just pries right out. Again, the key's on, and it just kind of just falls out. Kind of crazy how great that works. We'll check out. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm taking it out now. There's the part number on it. See if I got another part number shot of it. That's the part number on it. This is again a 2011 Honda CR-V. Okay, and it's got a connector there that you can just take off. And you see, it's and here, I'll just give you a shot of the pry tool I used. That's the pry tool that I used. And you can see that it just kind of snaps on these little things here. And then here's the mating side. It's so easy to do. I'm just going to give you a detailed look at my controls here, just in case you want them. And that's what the connector looks like. There's the other part. And that looks like that's about it. And again, this knob was the thing that might not be working. I did look at another video on the it looks like the Civic has, a diagnostic routine, but that didn't work on my CRV. This is a really cool diagnostic self-test routine that you can use for the Civic, and it works really well. Now let's see how easy this thing pops back. I'm going to order this off on eBay. I just need to make sure I got the right part number. Look how easy this just pops right back on. I can't believe it's that easy. So now I'm just going to undo what I did, right? Brake, put that on, take the key off, and then I'm going to give you one more shot of where this part goes. Here's the connector, right? And you can see up there, there's the door actuator. And the mechanic just put a piece of tape on it in the middle. Because this thing was randomly just working and not working. I'm getting ready to take a trip to the mountains, and I don't think I want to do that. So it's stuck in the middle now. That's the middle position with this tape. Then he gave me this tape. It looks like it's kind of a real sticky, super sticky tape. And then it's stuck in the middle.